Hi motorbikers, today we're gonna talking about all new 2023 BMW R1250RS. Check this out. BMW Motorrad has announced several updates to the boxer-powered R1250RS Sport Tourer for 2023. The changes are focused on refinement over revolution, primarily focusing on the motorcycle's electronic rider aid equipment while leaving the core elements the same. Dynamic traction control is now fitted to the R1250RS as standard equipment, aiming to enhance on-road safety. Previously, DTC was offered as an add-on via the premium package for an additional $3,175. Its inclusion should be a welcome touch for every rider. An all-new eco-riding mode, focused on maximizing fuel efficiency and range, joins the existing rain and road modes. Fuel savings are achieved by softer throttle mapping and moderate torque reduction, and the upper left of the TFT dashboard now displays an efficiency reading to track real-time consumption. The new R1250RS is also equipped standard with BMW Integral ABS Pro to further improve safety while braking. The interesting dynamic brake control function is new as well. This system helps avoid unintended throttle inputs during panic braking by reducing drive torque. BMW's Riding Modes Pro package, available as an option via the premium package, allows for custom configuration of riding modes. It also includes adjustable engine drag torque control to complement ABS upgrades, effectively adjusting engine brake settings for tailored off-throttle deceleration characteristics. A few new add-on packages are now available, including two optional paint schemes, Style Triple Black and Style Sport Light White, Racing Blue, Racing Red. Both packages feature gold front and rear brake calipers, unique frame colors, and a solo seat. On the Triple Black, the passenger seat is replaced with a cosmetic cover and passenger pegs and grab handles are removed. Option 719 spoked wheels are also available as an add-on. Despite the new functional upgrades, the base MSRP of the BMW R1250RS remains the same for 2023 at $15,695 in the light white paint scheme. BMW says bikes will be available in spring of next year.